Today I want to talk to you about how to protect indoor air. Now everyone keeps saying that yes, don't get exposed to pollution outside and keep your indoor air safe. Now how do we go about doing that? The first thing is we think that to keep the indoor air clean, we have to have a proper cross ventilation and we have to keep our windows open. But there's no point keeping windows open whole day when the outside air is polluted. So usually in the morning hours between 5 a.m. and 7 or 8 a.m. the air quality index is better. At that time you keep your windows open, and when the AQI is very high it is better to keep the windows closed. That is point number one. Point number two, you can put some indoor plants which reduce the air pollution. They are not a substitute for air purifier, but yes, you can do some strategies to reduce some level, like snake plant and areca plant and all those things. Number three, yes, if you have some sensitive people like people with respiratory problems and elderly who are suffering with respiratory problems, it is better to use an air purifier because the AQI for them has to be less than 100. Whereas in Hyderabad now it's in the range of 150 to 170, particularly this winter. Fourth thing is keep the indoor smoke under control. Even the kitchen smoke is very important. So if you don't use the exhaust, the thadka smoke, the smoke comes from that, mosquito coils, agarbattis, indoor smoking, all these things can increase the AQI levels and make the indoor air polluted. Do not use any strong detergents which give very strong smell. And another important point is avoid dry sweeping, particularly when in these days when AQI levels are high. Use wet mopping to clean the floor, and of course when using air purifier is always a good idea. So we might not be able to control the air outside, but it is in our hands to control the air that we breathe in our homes. So take the precautions. Thank you.